Because once the results are out, the machine sends SMS automatically and instantly to the patient and the clinician, so that even if the patient is positive, even if the patient is positive, the clinician can now make a follow-up from that before they finally come for the physical result from the laboratory.
And the advantage of it is at a time, 4 samples can be run at a time with an interval of 1 hour and 17 minutes. So in that case, in a day, we run 20 samples, which is a plus to us on the other way that the patient doesn't wait for long. So to me, it's now benefiting the community.
TB being significant and the way it is transmitted, it is usually important that we have measures in place so that we can have it controlled, if not having it eliminated.